going on a morning walk. It is breezy out here. Just gonna do a kind of a quick one today because I gotta get out of here. It's running a little later than planned, but we got a lot of rain this morning. So pretty though, even with it windy. Hawaiian canaries. I didn't know they even had. I'll have to look into that. Yep, I have no excuse. It's really not like hot at all. Like not cold either. Good morning. We have to get some bikes so we can ride on the bike path. But let me tell you how I spent minutes since I've been running by. Time. Thankful for that. Get in the Word. I think they said this walking path or bike path can take you all the way to another town and on the island, so it goes pretty far. But even without the sun out this morning, just enjoying the morning. Thank you, God, for the morning. I have a full work day today. So I'm going to finish this walk and I'll be heading north to the farm. Mondays are always pretty busy, or like the time just goes by. what I have to do. There's my cookie. People just kind of sitting out looking right on the water. Man, it's been a month since I walked over here. Alrighty then. Well, you all have a good day. Walk for probably another 15, 20 minutes. And then head back. Alright. Shalom, shalom.